Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, go to keypad, as you can see, here it is, and let me enter the first code, which is *1234#. And as you can see now, you can check everything's versions here, so you can come along with model number, CSC, CP number, and also AP number. Let me go back, and it's time for the second code, which is *0*. And now we are in test mode, so you can check all the device's features. Let's start with speaker. As we can hear, it's working properly, so let's click on speaker one more time, then we can check receiver. It's also working properly. You can also check display if it's red. Red is correct, definitely. Then green. It's also working properly. Blue. Good as well. And for example, let me check the vibration. As you can hear, as I can feel, it's working properly. So this is it. It's a very useful code, and you can test all the features and check if any issues are caused by the device or some application. Now it's time for the third code, and it's *0011 and pound at the end. And as you can see now, we are in service mode, so you can, for example, check the basic information, and if you click here on the more icon, you would be able to enable some further modes. So let me go back, and it's time for another code, and it's *02228#. And here you can check the battery status, so smoothly enter this code and then come along with the network, signal strength, color, current value, voltage, level block, and all the others. Let me go back, and another code would be the USB settings, so you have to enter *0808#. And as you can see here, you can set up your USB cable, so just select the configuration that you would like to apply and smoothly use it. Another code is *2663 and pound at the end. And now you can come along with your firmware version, where you can check the phone's version, then configuration, developer only, and also you can check the Wi-Fi version. So here you can refresh your Wi-Fi version. Just give it a couple of seconds. And here it is. It has been refreshed. Now enter the PIN. Okay, it's not this one. I think I forgot it. Let me draw the unlock pattern. And it's still not the last code. Just open keypad one more time, and the last code, it would be actually also the shortest one, is *#06#. And this one will help you with coming along with both your email numbers and also serial number assigned to your Galaxy J6 Plus. So that would be all. These are all secret codes for your device. Use them as often as you want to, as often as you need to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.